Hello there! In this video, we are reviewing Agent X, a brand new tool designed to fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Touted as a game-changing app, Agent X promises to help everyone from the absolute beginner to the seasoned pro in making money fast. Let us dive in, shall we? Why would anyone want an app like Agent X, you ask? Simply put, making money has never been so fast and easy. Did you know that by 2024, the digital marketplace revenue is projected to hit sky-high billion-dollar figures? Take a slice of that lucrative pie with Agent X. The mastermind behind Agent X is a seasoned marketer named Anthony. Anthony has made a name for himself in the digital entrepreneurship scene, capitalizing on his years of experience and deep understanding of the online marketplace. This is the foundation of Agent X's key feature, helping anyone to break into the digital realm with ease and success. The core promise behind Agent X is simple. It fast-tracks your journey to financial success with a unique blend of powerful user-friendly features. It is designed to slice through the challenges of an ever-evolving digital marketplace and deliver fast results. As we all know, in 2024, time is money. And does Agent X live up to its promises? Absolutely. And here is why. The innovative technology that powers Agent X is already proven successful. The proof is in the pudding. Thousands of satisfied users have been raking in cash with this powerful tool. Plus, with its unique array of features like it capitalizes on cutting-edge, user-friendly technology. So even if you have been overwhelmed by other digital tools in the past, you will find navigating Agent X a breeze. Currently, Agent X is available at a discount, but act quickly. This offer is time-limited. To sweeten the deal further, Agent X comes bundled with some bonus extras which, like the software, are subject to time restrictions. So make sure you grab them while you still can. So that is it. If you have always dreamt of earning money online but do not know where to start, or if you are just looking for ways to boost your current income, then Agent X was made for you. Click the link below this video and let Agent X propel you towards your financial goals. Remember, with Agent X money-back guarantee,